What is flowchart? Graphical representation of program logic is called flowchart. So dear student, graphical or pictorial representation of program logic is called flowchart. Symbols used in flowchart. Following are the symbols used in flowchart. Start and stop box. An oval represents a start or end point. Arrows. A line is a connector that shows relationship between the representative shapes. Input, output. A parallelogram represents input or output in flowchart. Process. A rectangle represents a process. Decision. A diamond indicates a decision. So these are the various symbols used in flowchart. The flowchart is used to represent program logic. Now I am going to show you the example of flowcharts.